Thorpe Park have just released the Hyperia trains. So I have kind of seen the Hyperia trains. I was in the car when they released them, so I haven't had like a proper look, so that's why I'm filming this, to go like have a proper look at it. So here is the Hyperia train, and oh my god, I think it looks really good. I know some people, I've seen on Instagram, some people have said that they don't like it, but personally, I think it goes really well with the track, and it looks very photogenic, so when I'm taking photos of it in May, it will look so good. So I thought that I would show the video that Thorpe Park released of the train reveal, so I thought that I would show that here. Oh my god, I'm speechless. It's so good. Like, I think it looks so much better than the other coasters at Thorpe. I know that like the Swarm is like really cool, but like this train is on a whole other level. Like, I love at the front of the train how they've got like the mini wings, and the Thorpe Park letters in like bold. I love it so much, I can't even speak. And like the front, it reminds me of Icon a bit. Loads of people were saying that it was gonna look like completely the same as Icon, but it doesn't really. It does a little bit, but not as much as I thought it would. And like, it looks so good. I can already tell that this coaster is gonna become my number one. This coaster is literally going to become my number one. Look, although it's Nemesis at the moment, this could easily replace it. It looks so fun. Although, I am actually really scared for Hyperia. Like, I know I'm a coaster enthusiast and all that, but the height of it is just so scary. Like, when I went on the big one at Blackpool Pleasure Beach, going up that lift hill, I felt sick. It was horrible. So God knows what I'm going to be like on my first time on this. I'm going to be so nervous, but in the end I'll love it. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the Hyperia trains as much as I do, and I'll see you in another video.